Hello, dear students. Welcome back. In our last two videos, we were doing chapter 5 Evolution of Mankind. Now we reach at the end of the chapter. Let's continue. 5.2 Homo sapiens sapiens and civilization. Okay, this is the last topic in chapter 5, 5.2 Homo sapiens sapiens and civilization. Homo sapiens sapiens is the name given to the humans as their capacity to think developed even further than that of Homo sapiens. In the last video, we studied about Homo sapiens. Now we study about Homo sapiens sapiens. The speciality of this species of human beings is that there's the capacity to think developed even further than that of Homo sapiens. The thinking power of these humans increased much better than that of Homo sapiens, and they were called Homo sapiens sapiens. The capacity of their brain and their grasping power also developed further with time. The Homo sapiens sapiens capacity of their brain and their grasping power means understanding. The understanding power also developed further with the time. When the time passed, their capacity of the brain and their grasping power also developed. We, the modern humans, are Homo sapiens sapiens. Okay, the modern man, okay, the modern human beings, and they what we see around us. Okay, all these people right now we see around us, they are all Homo sapiens sapiens. So now you should be having a clear picture about the different stages of human progress. Okay, now the modern men, keep in mind that the modern humans are Homo sapiens sapiens. The appearance and health characteristics of human beings indicate their similarity to their ancestors. The appearance and the health characteristics of human beings shows their similarity to their ancestors. This is known as heredity. Okay, heredity. What indicates the appearance and the health characteristics of the human beings indicate their similarity to their ancestors, our forefathers. Okay, and this is known as heredity. The word heredity you may notice clearly. Genetic is a science that studies heredity. Okay, what studies about heredity? Genetics. Okay, it's a science. Okay, genetic is a science that studies heredity. Genetic research has shown that we have inherited some trails of Neanderthal man. So you studied earlier about Neanderthal man before the Homo sapiens. Okay, genetic research, the studies has shown that we have inherited some trails of Neanderthal man. Thus, we can say that Neanderthal man and Homo sapiens are both the ancestors of modern humans. We can see our ancestors. Modern human means we. Okay, our ancestors. We can see they are the Neanderthal man and the Homo sapiens are both ancestors of the modern man. Our ancestors are Neanderthal man and Homo sapiens. Around 11,000 to 10,000 BC. See the period 11,000 to 10,000 BC. Homo sapiens sapiens developed the technique of cultivating land and keeping animals. Around 11,000 to 10,000 BC, Homo sapiens developed the technique of cultivating land. Okay, cultivating means doing farm work, cultivating, agriculture, and keeping animals, so domesticating animals. Because of their well-developed capacity to think, the speed at which they improved their technology increased with time. So, okay, because of their well-developed capacity to think, their thinking power increased. Because of that, The speed at which they improved their technology increased with time. They began to live in a more settled life. Okay, they began to live a more settled life. They began to grow food grains. Okay, you can see a first one. They began to live a more settled life. They began to grow food grains in the fields. As a result, the amount of carbohydrates in their food increased. Okay, let's see this part once again. They began to live a more settled life. They began to grow food grains in the fields. As a result, because of these two things, the settled life and growing food grains, the amount of carbohydrates in their food increased. Carbohydrate in their food increased. The changed lifestyle and diet affected the appearance of the humans. Okay, how they changed and became the modern man, that is explained here. The changed lifestyle and diet, the food what they taken, affected the appearance of the humans. Their body and face grew smaller than they had been in the earlier generations. Their body and face grew smaller. You can see the apes' face and their body. That was quite different from the humans. The body and the face grew smaller than they had been in the early generations. And they become more handsome, just like how the handsome people around us, just like their size went on reducing from the apes. And also their the size of the face also went on reducing and reached the present stage like a handsome and beautiful people. The name Homo sapiens sapiens reflects their intellectual and cultural rather than physical prowess. All animals must necessarily meet their basic need for food. Okay, let's check here once again. The name Homo sapiens sapiens reflects their intellectual and cultural rather than their physical prowess, not according to the physical appearance and the physical powers. It depends on their intellectual and cultural aspects. All animals must necessarily meet their basic need for food. You know the basic needs of human beings: food, shelter, and clothing. These are the main basic needs of all the human beings. Okay, what are they? Food, cloth, and shelter. And here you can see all the animals must need necessarily. Okay, they must meet their basic need for food. All animals must necessarily meet their basic need for food. However, modern humans are not satisfied with only fulfilling the basic needs. Okay, the olden times, men were quite satisfied with the availability of food. However, modern humans are not satisfied with only fulfilling the basic needs. Through their effort to enrich their lives, using their creativity, intelligence, and skills, human beings acquired a culture. However, modern humans are not satisfied with only fulfilling the basic needs. You know what I mean by basic needs? The basic needs of human beings are food, shelter, clothing. Okay, they were not satisfied. The modern men are not satisfied with only fulfilling the basic needs. Through their effort to enrich their lives, means make their life better. Through their effort to enrich their lives, using their creativity, intelligence, and skills, human beings acquired a culture. A culture is developed by the human beings through their effort to enrich their lives by using their creativity, intelligence, and skills. They continue to develop the culture. The technological and cultural progress achieved by modern humans after the beginning of agriculture and domestication of animals has been extremely rapid. They continued to develop the culture. The technological and cultural progress achieved by modern humans. Okay, the technological and cultural progress achieved by modern humans. After the beginning of agriculture, okay, cultivation of the land, agriculture and domestication of animals has been extremely rapid. It was very fast. The technological and cultural progress achieved by modern humans after the beginning of agriculture and domestication of animals has been extremely rapid. The history of the evolution of humans that began from apes can be divided into various stages. In the following lessons, we shall learn about various facets of human culture at these different stages. Okay, the history of the evolution of humans, evolution of mankind, that began from apes. We studied the humans developed from apes. Okay, the evolution of humans that began from apes can be divided into various stages, can be divided into different stages. In the following lessons, we shall learn about various facets of human culture at these different stages. Okay, in the following lessons, means the forthcoming lessons, we shall learn about various phases, various features, various aspects of human culture at these different stages. The history of the evolution of humans that began from apes can be divided into various stages. In the following lessons, we shall learn about various facets of human culture at these different stages. With that, we complete the lesson. Let's see the humans here. Okay, after the apes came the first human, we call it Homo habilis. After the Homo habilis came the Homo erectus. And after the Homo erectus came the Neanderthal man. And after that, the Homo sapiens. Okay, now after this Homo sapiens, we studied one more, Homo sapiens sapiens. So that means you can see that picture. Just look around, and the humans, the people whom you see around, all examples of Homo sapiens sapiens. And Homo sapiens sapiens are called the modern man. Let's continue. Okay, let us do a little exercise, a small exercise to find out understanding of this video. First one, fill in the blanks. We the modern humans are dash. Is the blank space. Answer is here. Homo sapiens sapiens. We the modern humans are Homo sapiens sapiens. That's complete answer. Second, fill in the blanks. Dash is a science that studies heredity. Answer is genetic. You may write the answer here. Genetic, and underline it, is a science that studies heredity. Sometimes you will get the blank space here. Then the question will be, genetic is a science that studies dash, and then your answer will be heredity. And the third one, all animals must meet their basic need for dash. Answer is food. Okay, all animals must meet their basic need for food. Okay, with that we complete the chapter 5, the complete explanation of chapter 5 in 5 videos. The textual exercise is remaining, that I will be giving you in the next video. Whenever you are free, now you visit your YouTube channel AK Saranatharakkal and go to the videos. You can see all your videos from lesson number 1 to chapter number 1 to chapter 5. You can watch those videos again, make the short notes and all the questions and answers, and prepare for the first semester examination. most probably you are going to get chapter number 1 to 5 for your first semester examination, and start preparing for it right now. And for any clarification and any doubt, you can put comment, and I'm always there ready to help you. I find many of you are not yet subscribed the channel. Okay, those who not subscribe the channel, subscribe the channel AK Saranatarikil, and press the bell icon so you will get a notification of all my new videos. I have already posted videos of Standard 6 English, and I'll be also posting the videos of Standard 7, 8, 9 and 10 also. So whenever I post a video, you will get a notification. If you like the video, share the video. If you dislike some video, you can mark in the comment dislike and write down what part you don't like. So I will definitely try to improve that part.